Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by preparing the essentials and taking your first readings. Ensure you have admin access, a stable network, and a measurement tool ready, then choose the specific interface or endpoint to test. Begin with a short baseline capture. Set a 1-second sampling interval and a 60-second duration so you can see immediate behavior. While it runs, watch throughput and packet timing. This gives a baseline net velocity profile to compare later and avoids guesses about normal conditions. Once you have interval samples, compute net velocity by converting bytes per interval into bits per second and normalizing to your chosen timescale. Make sure to subtract protocol overhead and retransmissions so you measure usable payload velocity, not raw wire rate. Apply a moving average or exponential smoothing to reduce jitter, and align timestamps if multiple sources contribute data. Doing these steps yields a clearer, actionable velocity curve. Keep an eye on spikes, because they reveal congestion or measurement artifacts you should address. To finish, interpret the clean net velocity curve. Look for sustained drops that point to capacity limits and spikes that indicate bursts or retransmissions. Document key metrics, define alert thresholds, and repeat tests under different load conditions to validate findings. If the numbers look off, check clock synchronization across probes, eliminate sampling bias by increasing duration, and ensure no local rate limiting is active. Then rerun the measurement. This troubleshooting tip often reveals measurement errors rather than real network faults.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.